any free trial share trading accounts in Malaysia. Where to apply and how to apply. Know-how in share. We provide guidance and support for beginners and existing investors to explore and achieve investment goals. In our Facebook page, Know-how in share, we provide short videos for stock market knowledge, experience, and surviving tips. Any free trial accounts in Malaysia? Yes, good news for you. Our partner, CJSMB Securities, they are providing a free trial account for 14 days. We can go to the website and register. We can use the account to view the live market for Malaysia and use some of the function of the platform. But we cannot do any trading, which is we cannot buy or sell with the trial account because we must have an official account before we can do so. About how to open a share trading account officially, you can watch our previous video, which we mentioned about how to open a share trading account, or you can always PM us, text us on the WhatsApp link below. Let's go through step by step on how to register for a trial account. Let's go. This is the website by our partner, CJCMB. Okay, here is the website, itradecmb.com.my. Okay, this is the interface of the platform for CJCMB Securities. We can go for the trial account here. Look at the register. We click on individual. If we have account already, then we can go to members login. But now we are registering a free trial account. Let's go to register and click on individual. There will be here, individual online registration. So we need to tick on all of these. Just tick on it, and we need to read through the terms and conditions. Click on this, and you can go through one by one for the terms and conditions. Then you can go to I agree to the above terms and conditions. Click on it. Same to the next one. We will do the same. You can scroll down. You can read one by one and go through it and click on I agree to the above terms and conditions. Then the last one, we do the same as well. Then this one, because we are not a client yet for the CJCMB, then we can choose I am neither an existing CJCMB futures or CJCMB Securities Neighborhood client, but I am interested to be one, and click on register. So here we need to fill up our details. Then user ID. User ID must be at least 6 characters in length. So the user ID not be the same as password. For this one, let us try. Password must contain alphabets and numerals, so at least 8 characters. Trading PIN must be 6-digit PIN. And retype your trading PIN. So your hint for forgotten password, you can choose either one. Okay, once you complete, then you can click on submit. Once you submit, then it will come up. Thank you for registering as a guest of CJCMB iTrade. Then you can click on close, or you can go back to just now the page, because just now you already registered and try account. You can go to members login. Here you can go to trading hall and then type the username just now. Okay, go. Okay, you need to agree to the terms and condition. It's better you read through it one by one, then only you go to the platform. Okay, here you go. This is the platform for CJCMB iTrade. So this one is the code screen. You can look at it. So here is your trial account. The registration for free trial account is complete now. In summary, that is how we register a free trial account with CJCMB Securities, and it is only lasts for 14 days only. You can use the account to view the stock market price for Malaysia. But in order to buy and sell in the stock market, you need to open a share trading account officially. Good news for you. Our free account opening campaign is still ongoing. Welcome to WhatsApp our number in the WhatsApp link for share trading account opening. We will share more about the trading platform in our next video. Stay tuned. Know how in share, your share market buddy. Thank you.